My name is Andrew Dembo. Today we're gonna clear out this lot. We're leaving most of the trees. We're just taking out the underbrush and the grasses. So I know there's standing water. I know there's going to be rock and probably piles of construction stuff from this current job that was just done that got dumped over there. The unique thing about this job is even skid steers and tractors, they can't get in here. There's parking issues, there's wet issues, they are too big, and the Ventrac it hits that special niche market for doing jobs in the middle of town like we are. With the highs and lows, the Ventrac will flex forward, backward, side to side, so we'll be able to navigate around these areas without any issues. So the job went smoothly, as you can tell. Took about 40-45 minutes from start to stop, and we didn't get stuck in the tractor like most larger equipment would have because of the way the machine is set up. So having the larger equipment that we have as well, people know who we are when it comes to who you're gonna call for your big brush hog jobs. This piece of equipment has opened up doors to a 1/4 acre and just hitting that niche market that nobody else is in for this area. What led us into this was subbing out all of our smaller jobs like this, where the tractor couldn't go, when we were paying thousands of dollars to have subcontractors to come in and do the job. We're still responsible for it. If there's an issue, if the customer wasn't happy, it fell back on us. Now at this point, we have this tractor, we know the job's done right, and the customer's happy at the end of the day. Coming from larger tractors, 100-horse tractors, I literally called it cute. Because when you do compare a 30-horse tractor to a 120-horse tractor, it's cute. But put a 120-horse tractor down in this area, it's not gonna happen. This tractor just devoured this, where the other tractor would have just been stuck, and I'd been stuck with a tow bill. So just because we have this, it has not replaced any of our other equipment, from mowers to tractor. We've expanded now into being able to grade out some driveways, aeration with it, doing rock raking, power raking, brush hogging, and large finish mowing with it. We can push snow with it. We can spread fertilizer and seed. There are so many attachments on this machine that have made it versatile for us and almost a necessity and an asset in the business.